Hello everyone, part number 1. Now I want to show you how to start your career on YouTube and earn $3,000 per month even a small channel. Okay, let's start now.
Now sign in Googles. Enter your email address and then click next. Enter your password and then click next. From the right top corner, click the box and click YouTube. Click the profile icon and click my channel. Name your channel here, and this is the name of your channel. Click continue. Now your YouTube channel has been created. On the top right corner, click the profile icon, click my channel. Fill up your phone number here. After submitting the phone number, message will come in your mobile, and that is the code. The code which you have got from your message, fill in here and click select. Now start to enable monetization. Click enable. Click start. Select your account. This is Google AdSense. Select your country. Look nicely in this part. How I fill up the form here. Fill up your address 1, address 2. And you can fill the same address in both the columns. Sign up in Google AdSense is done. Click redirect. Click start. Now your channel has been created and monetized.
Thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you again in part 2.